Most common 1000 English verbs. Be, have, do, say, get, make, go, see, know, take, think, come, give, look, use, find, want, tell, put, mean, become, leave, work, need, feel, seem, ask, show, try, call, keep, provide, hold, turn, follow, begin, bring, like, go, help, start, run, write, set, move, play, hear, include, believe, allow, meet, lead, live, stand, happen, carry, talk, appear, produce, sit, offer, consider, expect, suggest, let, read, require, continue, lose, add, change, fall, remain, remember, buy, speak, stop, send, receive, decide, win, understand, describe, develop, agree, open, reach, build, involve, spend, return, draw, die, hope, create, walk, sell, wait, cause, pass, lie, accept, watch, raise, base, apply, break, explain, learn, increase, cover, grow, claim, report, support, cut, form, stay, contain, reduce, establish, join, wish, achieve, seek, choose, deal, face, fail, serve, end, kill, occur, drive, represent, rise, discuss, love, pick, place, argue, prove, wear, catch, enjoy, eat, introduce, enter, present, arrive, ensure, point, plan, pull, refer, act, relate, affect, close, identify, manage, thank, compare, announce, obtain, note, forget, indicate, wonder, maintain, publish, suffer, avoid, express, suppose, finish, determine, design, listen, save, tend, treat, control, share, remove, throw, visit, exist, encourage, force, reflect, admit, assume, smile, prepare, replace, fill, improve, mention, fight, intend, miss, discover, drop, hit, push, prevent, refuse, regard, lay, reveal, teach, answer, operate, state, depend, enable, record, check, complete, cost, sound, laugh, realize, extend, arise, notice, define, examine, fit, study, bear, hang, recognize, shake, sign, attend, fly, gain, perform, result, travel, adopt, confirm, protect, demand, stare, imagine, attempt, beat, burn, associate, care, marry, collect, voice, employ, issue, release, emerge, mind, aim, deny, mark, shoot, appoint, order, supply, drink, observe, reply, ignore, link, propose, ring, settle, strike, press, respond, arrange, survive, concentrate, lift, approach, cross, test, charge, experience, touch, acquire, commit, demonstrate, grant, prefer, repeat, sleep, threaten, feed, insist, launch, limit, promote, deliver, measure, own, retain, assess, attract, belong, consist, contribute, hide, promise, reject, cry, impose, invite, sing, vary, warn, address, declare, destroy, worry, divide, head, name, stick, nod, recognize, train, attack, clear, combine, handle, influence, realize, recommend, shout, spread, undertake, account, select, climb, contact, recall, secure, step, transfer, welcome, conclude, disappear, display, dress, illustrate, imply, organize, direct, escape, generate, investigate, remind, advise, afford, earn, hand, inform, rely, succeed, approve, burn, fear, vote, conduct, cope, derive, elect, gather, jump, last, match, matter, persuade, ride, shut, blow, estimate, recover, score, slip, count, hate, attach, exercise, house, lean, roll, wash, accompany, accuse, bind, explore, judge, rest, steal, comment, exclude, focus, hurt, stretch, withdraw, back, fix, justify, knock, pursue, switch, appreciate, benefit, lack, list, occupy, permit, surround, abandon, blame, complain, connect, construct, dominate, engage, paint, quote, view, acknowledge, dismiss, incorporate, interpret, proceed, search, separate, stress, alter, analyze, arrest, bother, defend, expand, implement, possess, review, suit, tie, assist, calculate, glance, mix, question, resolve, rule, suspect, wake, appeal, challenge, clean, damage, guess, reckon, restore, restrict, specify, constitute, convert, distinguish, submit, trust, urge, feature, land, locate, predict, preserve, solve, sort, struggle, cast, cook, dance, invest, lock, owe, pour, shift, kick, kiss, light, purchase, race, retire, bend, breathe, celebrate, date, fire, monitor, print, register, resist, behave, comprise, decline, detect, finance, organize, overcome, range, swing, differ, drag, guarantee, oppose, pack, pause, relax, resign, rush, store, waste, compete, expose, found, install, mount, negotiate, sink, split, whisper, assure, award, borrow, bury, capture, deserve, distribute, doubt, enhance, phone, sweep, tackle, advance, cease, concern, emphasize, exceed, qualify, slide, strengthen, transform, favor, grab, lend, participate, perceive, pose, practice, satisfy, scream, smoke, sustain, tear, adapt, adjust, ban, consult, dig, dry, highlight, outline, reinforce, shrug, snap, absorb, amount, block, confine, delay, encounter, entitle, plant, pretend, request, rid, sail, trace, trade, wave, sight, dream, flow, fulfill, lower, process, react, seize, allocate, burst, communicate, defeat, double, exploit, fund, govern, hurry, injure, pray, protest, sigh, smell, stir, swim, undergo, wander, anticipate, collapse, compose, confront, ease, eliminate, evaluate, grin, interview, remark, suspend, weigh, wipe, wrap, attribute, balance, bet, bound, cancel, condemn, convince, correspond, dare, devise, free, gaze, guide, inspire, modify, murder, prompt, reverse, rub, slow, spot, swear, telephone, wind, admire, bite, crash, disturb, greet, hesitate, induce, integrate, knit, line, load, murmur, render, shine, swallow, tap, translate, yield, accommodate, age, assert, await, book, brush, chase, comply, copy, criticize, devote, evolve, flee, forgive, initiate, interrupt, leap, mutter, overlook, risk, shape, spell, squeeze, trap, undermine, witness, beg, drift, echo, emphasize, enforce, exchange, fade, float, freeze, hire, object, pop, provoke, recruit, research, sense, situate, stimulate, abolish, administer, allege, command, consume, convey, correct, educate, equip, execute, fetch, frown, invent, march, park, progress, reserve, respect, twist, unite, value, assign, cater, concede, conceive, disclose, envisage, exhibit, export, extract, fancy, inherit, insert, instruct, interfere, isolate, opt, peer, persist, plead, price, regret, regulate, repair, resemble, resume, speed, spin, spring, update, advocate, assemble, boost, breed, cling, commission, conceal, contemplate, criticize, decorate, descend, drain, edit, embrace, excuse, explode, facilitate, flash, fold, function, grasp, incur, intervene, label, please, rescue, strip, tip, upset, advertise, aid, center, classify, coincide, confess, contract, crack, creep, decrease, deem, dispose, dissolve, dump, endorse, formulate, import, impress, market, reproduce, scatter, schedule, ship, shop, spare, sponsor, stage, suck, sue, tempt, vanish, access, commence, contrast, depict, discharge, draft, enclose, inquire, inquire, erect, file, halt, hunt, inspect, omit, originate, praise, proceed, relieve, reward, round, seal, signal, smash, spoil, subject, target, taste, tighten, top, tremble, tuck, warm, activate, amend, arouse, bang, bid, bow, campaign, characterize, circulate, clarify, compensate, compile, cool, couple, depart, deprive, desire, diminish, drown, embark, entail, entertain, figure, fling, guard, manufacture, melt, neglect, plunge, project, rain, reassure, rent, revive, sentence, shed, slam, spill, stem, sum, summon, supplement, suppress, surprise, tax, thrust, tour, transmit, transport, weaken, widen, bounce, calm, characterize, chat, clutch, confer, conform, confuse, convict, counter, debate, dedicate, dictate, disagree, affect, flood, forbid, grip, heat, long, manipulate, merge, part, pin, position, prescribe, proclaim, punish, rebuild, regain, sack, strain, stroke, substitute, supervise, term, time, toss, underline, abuse, accumulate, alert, arm, attain, boast, boil, carve, cheer, color, compel, crawl, crush, curl, deposit, differentiate, dip, dislike, divert, embody, exert, exhaust, fine, frighten, fuck, gasp, honor, inhibit, motivate, multiply, narrow, obey, penetrate, picture, presume, prevail, pronounce, rate, renew, revise, rip, scan, scratch, shiver,